guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna draw a nose, and in the previous video I taught that how to draw an eyebrow, and if you wanna watch can go and watch it on my channel. So let's start drawing a nose and start with a circle always, and this is the tip of the nose. Two vertical lines outward and then a horizontal line in the middle of the circle. Draw a horizontal line at the upper part of the circle, then two vertical lines extended up to bridge. Now we have the set of general guidelines, and now we can draw the actual nose. I'm gonna do more sets of noses like this, and don't worry if you don't get it right away. Draw the nostrils at the sides of the circle and follow the rest of guidelines to draw a perfect nose. And I'm gonna do practice, so you keep practicing till you get a perfect nose. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you something that video is gonna be my last video on my channel because my exams are approaching and I may not be able to make more videos, as it is a time-consuming process, and during my exam I don't even have time to eat, so how can I make videos? So that's the last one. I hope you will like that video, and if you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. And I guess it will take a month for me to be free, and after that I will make one more video and let you know about my comeback. If you want me to do good in my exam, so then cheer me up in the comment section so that I may know about that. In the rest of the video, I'm gonna focus on shading. So let me quickly draw the guidelines first. I'm drawing the tip of the nose a little further down than the circle. Extending upwards, draw the nostrils. Now it's time to do shading. Always start shading with a HB pencil first. I'm doing shading around the outlines, as you can see. Now darken some areas around the circle like this with the same HB pencil. Still adding more layers before using any other grade of pencil. And now it's time to draw the nostrils, and I'm using 4B pencil now. Now I'm gonna use even lighter pencil than HB, that is 4H, to make the shading more smooth. Now I have a sketching removing pen just to create a shine at the tip of the nose. And now time to blending! And this has been my most favorite part in the drawing, because it makes the drawing look more realistic and look more closely related to the reference. You can do shading at the dark areas with a dirty blending stump, but not at the light areas, because it makes them dark too. The video is end. Bye bye. Oh shit, it was fast! By the way, bye bye forever. And here's the final look you can see. And if you want, you can leave a comment for me. Good comment.